Welcome to Tamis Maths. It is 10th standard, height and distance, that is application of trigonometry, exercise 9.1. Up to 6 I have already done with you all, and I am going for problem number 7. What is that I always insist and tell you? These are all stories. At the moment you read the story, simple we can do like that. Okay, we listen to a very big story. The moral of the story will be told in one line. Same way here. The working will be done within few minutes. But we have to read the question, that it takes time, and we have to understand the question. This question is practical that we see every day in our life. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20 meters high building are 45 and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the tower. You read the question once, twice when you are practicing at home, and make yourself a master in whatever you are reading. Every video I try to point out the difference between we learning and we appearing for an exam. Okay. So practice it in such a nice way that even these big stories are just nothing to you. So we will see now. I have a building which is 20 meter high. 20 meter. On this, I have a transmission tower. Call it H. From a point on the ground, we can call it G. From a point on the ground, the angles are 45 and 60. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top are 45 and 60. This is 45 and this is 60. You have to find the height of the tower. Such a simple figure we get. So again I repeat it. I have a building which is 20 meters. On that a transmission tower is there, and that is H. We don't know the height of that. We have a transmission tower. And from a point on the ground, I see the bottom and I see the top. The bottom angle of elevation is 45 and the top is 60. Consider a triangle ABG. You can have your own ways to do. It's a right angle triangle. This angle is 90. Angles of a triangle put together is 180. So this is 45, this is 90, therefore this will be 45. So the triangle ABG is an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, the angle equal and the sides will be equal. The sides opposite to these equal angles will be equal. So if this is 20, this also will be 20. Next, consider triangle CBG. Consider triangle CBG. It's a right angle triangle. So tan 60, this angle is 60. Tan 60 will be BC divided by BG. Tan 60 is root 3. BC. What is BC? 20 plus H. BC will be 20 plus H. Sorry. By BG. What is BG? 20. Take it there. 20 root 3 is equal to 20 plus H. So what is H? 20 root 3 minus 20. So H is root 3 minus 1 into 20. So this is the answer for this question. So again I explain the question to you. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower is 45 and 60. This building is 20 and I want H. Triangle ABG is an isosceles triangle because this is 45 and this is 45. So in an isosceles triangle, the sides will be equal, this will become 20. In the triangle CBG, tan 60 will be 20 plus H by 20. So cross it and get value of H. H will be 20 into root 3 minus 1. Isn't it very simple? Isn't it very easy? Isn't it what you see in day-to-day life? So practice this question and make yourself easy. Master the way you work it. I'll meet you in the next video with more questions.